Won't you take a few minutes to let us help you solve a problem that you might not even know you have? Are you tempering meat, fish, poultry, or fruit just the way you always have, in a holding room or in a water bath? If you are, Amana can help you save time, improve the flexibility of your operation, and provide better, higher yield product. Sound interesting? Listen and watch for the next few minutes. Tempering or partial defrosting is a necessary prerequisite prior to many food processes: grinding, dicing, slicing, flaking, or forming. But traditional methods of tempering, holding rooms or water baths, are slow, often taking several days. They require excess inventory of in-process materials and waste a lot of floor space. Even more important, traditional tempering methods result in higher drip loss and lower product quality, and in the end, lower profits for you. Microwave tempering can provide a whole host of advantages for your operation. Let's hear what some existing users have to say about their Amana systems. Don Morse is plant manager of Gorton's Seafoods in Gloucester, Massachusetts. Gorton's has been using radar line tempering equipment for almost 20 years.
Our business here in the Seafood Center is to convert frozen fish blocks into either fish sticks or fish portions. The process starts by bringing blocks in from the cold storage warehouse where their temperature would be somewhere in the neighborhood of 0 to 10 below 0. We then process those blocks through Amana microwave tempering units. Those units basically in this plant run 24 hours a day. The next step in the process is to then deliver those blocks to our processing lines where all of our fish is sliced with knife blades. Way back 20 some odd years ago, when we first started slicing with the knife blades, we used to bring the blocks in here and put them in a 20-degree holding room for probably 3 or 4 days to allow the temperatures to come up and equilibrate. One of the problems that we would have is that because they come in a big cube, the blocks in the center of the cube would not be the same temperature as the fish on the exterior of the pallet. So in many cases we'd have to break the pallet down and air stack them and leave enough room around the pallet in order to speed up this tempering process. As you can imagine, that this was very labor intensive, it took a long time, it wasn't terribly accurate, and obviously affected our fish yields. Currently our process is being run through 2 Amana microwave units, and their capability is somewhere in the neighborhood of 18 to 20,000 pounds of blocks an hour. The advantage to the microwave units is that we get very consistent yields, and we can depend on a raw material that we can predict exactly how it's going to perform and attain this additional 4% yield in the raw material. As far as the economics are concerned with the microwave units, we would say that they probably paid for themselves in the first year that we installed them. As far as recommending the microwave Amana units to another processor, as far as we're concerned, we can't operate without them. It's an integral part of our process.
Jack Stanek is foreman of the ground beef operations at DeVoe Foods in DeVoe, Pennsylvania. DeVoe has had radar line tempering equipment for about 1 year. They use it in tempering beef for making patties for fast food chains.
Here at DeVoe Foods, we produce ground beef patties. We do make some retail products. Before we had the microwave tempering system, we moved the product through a series of different temperatures in different areas in the plant. It required a lot of man hours to move it, and certainly forklifts, etc. One of the problems that we encountered with our old method of tempering was inconsistent tempering of the product, where we would run across blocks of beef in the centers of the skids generally that were incompatible with the breaker. They would run too slowly, or else it would stall the breaker. The most overriding benefit of the system is that The meat is more compatible with our equipment in the grinding as well as in the forming areas. It allows us to maintain standard and beat our standards daily as far as tonnage requirements are concerned. I would recommend microwave tempering to anyone who is in the processing business because of the many benefits associated with that type of tempering. We've noticed that we're able to maintain our strokes per minute in the production area. The bloom of the product is much improved, and our overall tonnage requirements are easily met and in most cases are exceeded.
The results speak for themselves. Microwave tempering can help you save time, improve the flexibility of your operation, and provide better yields and higher quality products. In other words, microwave tempering can make your job easier and make money for your operation. But which Amana system is best suited to your needs? Amana has systems which are designed for either batch operation or continuous operation. Amana's QMP 1879 batch machine is perfect for lower volume operations, while the QMP 1679 is better suited to higher volume continuous operations. Amana's QMP 1679 can be fitted with 1 to 4 transmitters to provide up to 200 kilowatts of microwave energy. The exact system to fit your needs depends primarily on the throughput you require. You think microwave tempering might make sense for your operation. So why Amana? Amana and our parent company Raytheon can provide you the most depth and breadth of microwave knowledge in the world today. Amana and Raytheon have broader microwave cooking expertise than any manufacturer in the world. Raytheon invented microwave cooking. Amana introduced the first countertop microwave oven in 1967. We have over 600 industrial microwave systems and millions of commercial and home microwave ovens in use around the world. Amana is the only manufacturer in the world with a complete line of microwave equipment for the food processing, food service, vending, and home markets. Amana is the only manufacturer who can assist you in optimizing your product performance start to finish, from microwave processing in your plant to the preparation in a restaurant, hospital, or other food service operation, to preparation in the end consumer's home. Amana's test kitchens are fully equipped and staffed with certified home economists and food scientists who are trained to evaluate, recommend, and demonstrate optimum procedures for in-plant, in-restaurant, and in-home preparation. Thank you for taking time today to learn more about Amana's tempering systems. Please give us an opportunity to work with you and your products. Let us help you save time, improve flexibility, improve yields, improve quality, and, in the end, improve profits in your plant today.